Hey guys, Marc Antoine here. If you're looking at this video, you're probably just starting a YouTube channel, or maybe you had a YouTube channel for a while, and you're just looking how to market that YouTube channel a little bit better. So why you should listen to me real quick. I had no results for 9 months straight when I was on YouTube, and I mean, I went a good 9 months where I only had 30 subscribers, and they were all family and friends. And then I learned what I'm about to show you. Fast forward to today, I got almost 2,000 subscribers, over 500,000 views, and I've done 662 videos. I am able to rank my content for both my blog and my YouTube videos, so I just want to show you exactly how that's done. So you can hit the ground running. First and foremost, your mindset is going to be extremely important, especially making any YouTube channels. Undoubtedly, no matter what, no matter how positive your content is, you're gonna definitely encounter some certain types of comments. So your thoughts have power. Keep your thoughts as positive as possible, and just take the necessary steps to keep things in that positive direction. Okay. Know your target market. This is extremely important. You want to know exactly what the topic of your channel is overarching. You want to know what topics are trending. You want to speak the language of your niche, and you want to know exactly who your target audience is. You want to make sure that you're going after keywords, so you don't want to just create random content. The internet runs on search, so you want to make sure that you're going after specific keywords, and I'm going to show you exactly how to rank for those different keywords. Okay, so let's hop right in. How to rank for those keywords. Step one, you're gonna identify the keyword that you want to go after. This is done by seeing what others have done, who have accomplished or what you want, or who have similar pages to the same niche that you have. And then you could just use a tool like TubeBuddy. I left a link in the description for that, where you could just simply copy the tags. To take the tag that you want to, or the keyword that you want to really go after, you could just pretty much copy the tags there and go after that keyword specifically. So TubeBuddy, the interface is going to look something like this, and in the bottom left corner you see you could just grab the tags there for any given video. And then step two, you want to create a coherent title, and you want to place quotes around the keyword phrase that you want to go after. Okay, and your title can include multiple different keyword phrases. So you put quotes around the main keyword, and then you just have other words that have to do with that keyword within your same title, and then you can rank for those other keywords as well. Step three is you want to create a description about 300 words in length, and make sure you put brackets around the main keyword that you want to go after. Okay? That's very important. Use canva.com to create your thumbnail and save that thumbnail as the keyword that you want to rank. Finally, you want to go and search on Google and see exactly where you rank after you upload your video. If you're not ranking right away, it's no big deal. You can look for it on the second page. If you don't see it on the second page, then you want to go into where it says videos. You want to click on that, and then you want to click on your video. You want to watch the whole thing and then share it on social media. Repeat that step until your content starts to rank on the first page of Google. Okay. Hope you guys got value from this. If you did, feel free to check out the TubeBuddy link. That would definitely be a tool that you can utilize to help you along your YouTube journey. And I also left a link in the description for your marketing success. Just some steps to utilizing attraction marketing to help you really build your business out and build your online business out in that way. Guys, I hope you got value from this, and thank you guys for checking out the video.